From one cinema to another. Kaya pa? Hello! Oh my gosh, everybody here is just so proud of the both of you. Pero, guys, tulad ng ginawa natin sa kabila, Andres, sino si Rafi? Anong dapat nilang abangan kay Rafi? Tell us about it.
Hello, good evening. Yes, si Rafi is one flower enthusiast, a shy lalaki, and he likes to show his love by giving flowers to throughout the process of their love story or their journey.
There we go. I love it. Ashton?
Sa akin naman, si Luna, independent girl siya na hindi siya ready tumanggap ng pagmamahal. Ngayon, dapat yung abangan kung paano mabibreak ni Rafi yung walls niya. Yun.
There we go, Andres and Ashton. Pero, Direk, gusto ko marinig sa inyo yung sunod. Pero, Direk, gusto ko muna kantahan namin na happy birthday. Because it's your birthday, guys! Kanta natin, Direk JPL! Happy birthday!
Thank you very much. Wala daw kandila eh.
There we go! More power para sa iyo, Direk.
Salamat, salamat.
More art to make. Siyempre, Direk JPL yan. Direk, ano yung dapat nilang i-anticipate, abangan sa pelikula? Mapapanood natin dito.
Yung mga eardrums nyo kasi magpipilian.
Oh my gosh! Totoo talaga yun? Tissue kailangan?
Depende. Wow!
Wow! Pero sige, ayan na. Alam mo, muna natin patagalin pa. Picture muna kayo dito before we finally start the show. The critical and commercial success of recent local movies clearly indicates that Filipino moviegoers embrace not only high-budget movies, but also Anti-Camcording Act of 2010 and is punishable by imprisonment and imposition of fines. Further, creation and sharing of illegal and unauthorized links to jail.
Can I call on the production staff and the supporting cast?
Yes, of course, Direk.
Guys, punta kayo dito. Hindi ko na kayo isa-isahin. Pagod na ako.
Again,
punta kayo dito, please. Para mag-group picture.
Calling the prods. Hello po!
Dito kayo guys, si Rain Yamson, ang ating Director of Photography and his department. Supporting cast. Kasi supporting cast.
Also the rest of the cast, samahan nyo kami dito guys! The more the merrier! Ayan.
Dito din iba.
Tawagin natin yung iba
Si
pang
Pao, ang ating music scorer. Ayan na yung supporting cast. Nakita ko na. Si Lance. Ito. Si Lance. Si Lance.
And the rest of the cast ng pinamahal. 1, 2, 3, smile! Picture, picture! Smile, there we go. Beautiful faces, beautiful smiles. Excited na mapanood yung kanilang pinaghirapan. Tonight,
Dito kayo guys, para kasya tayo sa picture. Yung mga kaya magbaba. Dito dito sa harap.
Harap na lang po yung iba.
Sa harap na yung iba. Naka-levels naman tayo.
Dito na lang po sa harap yung iba. Compress po, compress.
alright, smile for the camera! Smile! Picture tayo.
Salamat guys. Ano next?
There we go. Maraming salamat. You can end. Be comfortable. Ayan ako. Maraming salamat again. The movie is rated PG by the NCRCB, so invite your friends, families, and classmates. Kung makabagay ng trabaho, pwede sa lahat ng mga yan. Again, we have this thing called the Anti-Camcording Act of 2015. We are not allowed to take videos, photos of the film to support it at magpatuloy tayo sa paggawa pa ng magandang obra. And yeah, the producers of Minamahal Isang Daang Bulaklak para kay Luna shall exercise. I'm sure mag-excited kayo. Are you guys excited to watch? Are you guys ready to cry? Ready to magkiligin? Sabi ka na direct kanina, bagay ang yung magagawa ko ngayon. Kaya, hindi pa kayo mga idiots. Kaya, hindi ka ako mag-work.
Wala yung lang, magulang lang.
Wherever you are in this world. Again, I'm CJ Lito Vicencio, saying goodbye and please enjoy Again, I'm requesting everybody to please stand for the opening.